Are you on Snapchat? Did you know that you can make money on Snapchat? Here's our comprehensive analysis on how to make money on Snapchat. Today, social media has become a part of our everyday lives. Social media has revolutionized the business world. People can easily connect with their prospects and make money on social media platforms. Snapchat is one of the fastest growing social media platforms globally. While it took a whole year for the platform to hit 100,000 daily active users, its current active daily user base stands at 293 million. These numbers show just how much potential the platform has when it comes to making money online. However, not everyone knows how to take advantage of this huge user base to make easy money online. But there's no need to worry. In this video, we will dwell into how to make money on Snapchat, giving you the best tips on how to go about it. Developed by Bob Murthy and Evan Spiegel in 2011, Snapchat allows its users to share interesting stories, photos, and videos with their followers. One unique aspect of this social media plan is that its messages disappear after the intended audience person sees it. A Snapchat story can also disappear after 24 hours. Snapchat enables its users to make money with a private Snapchat since they can share audacious and explicit images confidently with a Snapchat Premium account. With Snapchat, you can do selfies, emojis, masks, and filters. You can also use the app to make a video call. Snapchat has a Discover section where 16 different social media outlets such as MTV, Vox, and BuzzFeed publish their content and news from their websites as snaps. Also, it allows the presentation materials in non-standard formats. Snapchat has been around for only 10 years, but the daily active users of Snapchat now stand at over 293 million. According to a study conducted in 2016, Snapchat had more daily video views than Facebook and more active daily users than Twitter. The platform keeps rolling out new features to appeal mostly to the millennial generation. So do you want to learn how to make money on Snapchat? Here you are. Already we have covered the first crucial steps of making money on Snapchat, which include creating a public profile and building audience and viewership. As you might guess, the number of your Snapchat views is a key determinant of how much money you make on the platform. Therefore, after you've collected a decent follower base, utilize these incredible options to make money for yourself. Number 1. Create and promote great content for products. If you create quality and engaging Snapchat content, you will manage to capture the interest and hook the attention of your followers. A study shows that an average person has a 12-second attention span. So you have a minimum period to build relationships with your followers. You can use the different tools available to customize your content and to make it eye-catchy and attention-grabbing. Our favorite tool to use in order to make content more appealing is Canva. They make the process of creating videos and content super easy. You'll be amazed. Check it out by using our link for a free sign-up. For example, you can use captions, emojis, stickers, doodles, or creatives, and more. Use the creative that is permanent depending on your target audience, which is mostly millennials. You can use your Snapchat platform to provide content products such as ebooks, video courses, or audio programs, and more, and sell them to your followers. If you create great information and content, then design and promote it well, you will increase your customers and sales. Number 2, design and launch geofilters to promote a place or an event related to your business. You can create and launch a free geofilter for a public venue related to your niches such as parks, neighborhoods, or cities. Snapchat users often share filters, even the ones that are branded. You can create a geofilter when you want to hold an event in that specific place or if you are opening a new store. Geofilters help you promote your business or create more awareness for your brand. And with the large Snapchat user base, you can be sure to get some good business here. Generally, geofilters come in two options: personal and business. When creating a business geofilter, then you must include trademarks or logos. It's not possible to use phone numbers, contacts, or URLs when sharing a geofilter. But do you know how to make a Snapchat filter? Well, all you need when creating a geofilter is to take a photo or a short video and then swipe to view all the filters that you can access and pick the appropriate one. Always customize your geofilter using Snapchat's templates in Illustrator formats or Adobe Photoshops, and then test it using different images. Then download your geofilter and set the right time and date. Select a location, pay for the filter, and confirm your order. You can easily measure your geofilter effectiveness using the app's necessary reports. Number 3, create Snap ads and call to action to your services. One way to make money with Snapchat is through creation of call to action buttons. If you create a call to action button with teaser images, you can make your followers want to click on them. Create a button that convinces people that they can make profits, or you can solve their issues in the best way. After that, Add your Snapchat username to your other profiles as well as your email signature. Also, when you put your stories on display, remember to put your Snap code wherever possible. You can leverage the connection of social media to advertise your services. Research shows that over 500,000 users click through Snap ads during the day. You can create and deliver your message to your target audience using Snap ads. Snapchat has an ads manager to conveniently help you, though it is restricted in some countries. The app supports specific ad formats, including Snap ads, to listen, watch, and more. Social media marketing keeps evolving. Snapchat is a social media platform that is gaining popularity with each passing day. Research shows that Snapchat reported that it has a total income of $404 million, which is 4 times more than it did in 2015. You can make use of this guide on how to make money on Snapchat to benefit from the Snapchat app, as well as create a source of passive income.